Good evening, everyone, and welcome to this session number 9 from the playlist of Nuclei. The topic is the half-life period of a radioactive substance, and based on this topic, I have written here 3 important points in order to understand this topic. So, the first point here is the definition of the half-life period. So, half-life period of any radioactive substance is the time at which the activity of that radioactive sample reduces to 1/2 of its initial value. So at the half-life, the activity is equal to R0 by 2, where R0 is the initial activity, and the half-life is also equal to 0.693 divided by lambda, where lambda is the decay constant, and half-life is represented by T1 by 2. The third important point is that the quantity of a radioactive substance left after n half-lives is given by this formula, that is n is equal to n naught in bracket 1 by 2 to the power n, where n is the number of half-lives, and here n naught is the initial number of radioactive nuclei. So these are the 3 important points pertaining to the half-life period of a radioactive sample, and in the next session, that is in the session number 10, I will be coming up with a very simple question which will be based on this topic. So till then, have a nice day. Bye.